Well, hello again, you lovely linguists. I was playing around on my phone just before, and I was thinking about these apps that you can get that will translate for you. Bah. And I discovered that you don't really need any of these apps because if you go to Google, you will see that in the search bar here, you've got a little microphone. And if you click on that little microphone, you can speak and it will search for you. So I thought, okay, I could like say, look for, I don't know, washing machines near me, and it will go there. I could say, look for Portuguese near me, and it will take me there. But what I wanted to try out was whether it will actually tell me how to say something in Portuguese, like que barulho. Yeah. So let's try it. Click on here, click on the speaking icon, and allow microphone. How do I say I like tea in Portuguese?
In Portuguese, you would say, Eu gosto de chá.
Eu gosto de chá. How do I say in Portuguese, my cat is sleeping?
In Portuguese, that's Meu gato está dormindo.
Yeah, the Brazilians say dormindo. Notice here that there's a little difference. So in Portuguese, you would say o meu gato está a dormir, but the Brazilians say o meu gato está dormindo, which is actually a little easier for us because it's very similar to the English. So what else can we do? I also tried it in different languages. How do I say my cat is sleeping in Chinese?
In Chinese, you would say, 我的猫正在睡觉。
Oh, that's so cute. What's that again?
我的猫正在睡觉。
What a mountain shao shao. No, I don't think that was quite it, but you get the idea. So this can be a fun little tool just to play around with. I mean, it's never going to substitute a teacher or textbooks, but if you're stuck somewhere and you need to say, "Oh, how do I say I need a mechanic in Portuguese?"
In Portuguese, you would say, mecânico.
Mecânico. Yeah, they obviously missed a little bit, but you hear mecânico, so you could just say mecânico. Anyway, I just thought I'd share this with you because I thought it was quite funny. So let me know what you think and if you've tried any of these other apps that you can actually speak into and then they give you a translation back. I would like to hear in the comments. And also, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on that bell so that you get the notifications every time I upload a video. Videos are kind of mixed. This one was just a for fun video, so I should do a lot more of these. Anyway, boa noite, because it's nighttime now. It's still bloody hot though. And see you next time.